Hi friends! So we were happily driving along in Saskatchewan when luckily Alex had this little windshield repair kit tucked away in the van. Here's how we fixed that awful chip. Use the pushpin to clean out the glass particles. Peel off one side of the seal. Place it over the center with the tab pointing up. Peel off the other side of the seal and press the pedestal firmly. Cut the tip off the resin tube and squeeze the resin into the pedestal. Press the injector into the pedestal tightly. Pull the plunger upward and lock it with the spring clip. Then wait 10 minutes. Remove the injector to let some air in and then push it back in, and then wait 20 minutes. Remove the injector. Loosen the pedestal with a razor and pull it off slowly. And wipe and remove all the excess resin. Apply a little resin in the center of the chip. Place the film over it and use the razor to remove the bubbles. Wait for 15 more minutes. Then remove the film and clean up with the razor. It turned out pretty well, I'd say. Thanks for watching!